have here is a Stihl 038 chainsaw AV. This is my personal saw using for blocking, and I have recently upgraded to a larger saw and going to get rid of this one. That's the only reason. Everything operates as it should. There is no bar and chain. So take a close look. No gas tank leaks. Oiler works. Everything works. Pull starter works. Brake works. It's complete running saw. So again, take another good look at it and let me know what you think. There are a few marks here as seen. Doesn't affect it, doesn't leak. There is one screw missing right here that holds the handle cover on, but doesn't seem to affect it in any way. A little tape.